After you've pulled your hand out of the mold, it's time to fill your hand mold with the hydrostone so that we can take the mold away and you'll still have the structure of your hand. So you're going to take one of these containers, and there's a black line on the container, and you're going to fill it to that black line, and then you're going to pour it into one of the red cups, and then you're going to come and see me, and I'm going to give you some of the powder that is the hydrostone or the cement material. So I'm gonna pour that into your cup, and you are gonna then start to mix that hydrostone into with one of the little plastic forks that I gave you. And it's gonna be a very milky kind of consistency. So once you've got all the chunks out and it's mixed pretty well, then you're gonna be able to start to pour it into your hand mold. So what you're going to do is come on over here. You can just make sure all those chunks are out, and you're going to pour about halfway, and then you want to kind of stop and rock the mold all around. Make sure it's kind of got all those air bubbles out. Pour a little more. Rock it around again. And then you're going to fill the rest of the way to the top. Then what you want to do is just lightly tap on the table, and that's going to pull all the air bubbles up to the top or the surface so that it will not have any as you get down deeper. Now it's going to have this little pinkish tinge, and that's okay, that's just from the mold. And if you have extras, you're going to see if there's anybody else that might need a little bit more that didn't make enough to begin with. Otherwise, you're just going to throw this away in the trash. And then you set it on the table to dry overnight, and we can take it out of the molds the next class period.